Welcome to Darasa Online. My name is Abdallah Wema, a biology teacher. Today we are reviewing the topic of nutrition, subtopic of human nutrition, specifically under the concept of balanced diet. My dear students, this topic of nutrition, it has some challenges to most of the students in attempting the question during national assessment. Therefore, the National Examination Councils select this topic so as to make a revision and to remove or to reduce those challenges which facing most of the students so as they can do better. My dear students, it is my hope that by the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the meaning of balanced diet, but also you should also identify the components of balanced diet, and also you should explain the concept of balanced diet in terms of food qualities and the quantity. But also you should explain the importance of balanced diet. My dear students, there are short answered questions and also essay types question. Essay types question which need to have a broad knowledge about the topic concerned, but you also need the essay writing skills. My dear students, through this revision, we can review some questions of short answers and a question from essay type question. My dear students, what is balanced diet? Yes, can you try? A balanced diet is a diet which consists all types of food and nutrient in a correct proportion. In your food, it should consist all types of food nutrient. But not only all types of food nutrient should be in a correct proportion. Well, my dear students, what are the components of balanced diet? Yes, try to think, then tell me. Yes, my dear students, can you provide the components of balanced diet? And my dear students, the eating balanced diet, it is not about eating the food by your experience, tasting or customs, but it needs you to eat so as to get the nutrients. Yes, what are the components of balanced diet? My dear students, let's see this question, and then you will get an experience on some types of question coming from this topic. Suppose you are a managing director of a Kilimanjaro hotel. Suggest the food components that you would like the cooker to include in the balanced diet prepared for the customers. This is a example of short answered question. The question is need you to provide the components of balanced diet. Yes, my dear student, what are the components of balanced diet? Yes, very good. Carbohydrates, very good. Another one, protein, very good. Components of balanced diet. Yes, another one, very good. Vitamin. Yes, another component. Lipids, very good. My dear students, what is the another component? Yes, water, very good. What is the another component? Yes, mineral, very good. And what is the last component? Roughage, very good. Or fibers. My dear students, according to the question, suppose you are managing director of a Kilimanjaro hotel, suggest the food components that you would like the cooker to include in the balanced diet. So the food components are these one: carbohydrates, protein, vitamins, lipids, water, mineral, and the roughage or food fibers. My dear students, that is the answer of that question. My dear students, let's see another question. My dear students, why the following components should be included in the balanced diet? Why the following components? Carbohydrates, protein, lipids, vitamin, roughage, and water. What should be included in your balanced diet? The question is need you to know what the carbohydrates, what is the constituent of carbohydrates, what are the qualities and the quantities of carbohydrate to be taken to by the someone, and finally the importance of carbohydrates in the body and all other types of the food. That's the reason of why you should include these food substances in your diet. Okay, my dear students, let's see one by one. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is a components of balanced diet obtained from different food sources. We can get carbohydrate from cassava, from maize, from Irish potato. These are some of the food which consists of carbohydrates. Okay, so these are food sources. In terms of qualities and the quantity, carbohydrates divided into 3 types. We have monosaccharides, disaccharides, and the polysaccharides. Monosaccharides, example is from a glucose, such as when you are eating ripened fruits, mango, banana, you get monosaccharides, that is carbohydrates. And when you are eating a sugar cane, that is disaccharides, example is sugar cane. And the last one, it is polysaccharides. Example is when you are eating starch food. Example, unripe banana consists of starch, that is polysaccharides, and that is the types of carbohydrates. My dear students, monosaccharides example is glucose. As I said, when you are eating the ripened fruits, you get the glucose, monosaccharide. Disaccharides, sucrose. When you are eating sugar cane and the other foods, you get disaccharides. And the last one is polysaccharides, such as starch food. Example, as I said, unripened banana. My dear students, in terms of qualities, when eating cassava, that is a carbohydrate. When you are eating banana, when you are eating a potato, all of these are carbohydrates. So in terms of quality, these food which belong to the same groups have the same qualities. And in terms of quantity, a person should eat about 45 to 65 percentage of calories per day. It means that 1 gram of carbohydrates it equal to 4 calories. When you are eating 1 gram of cassava, it is equal to eating 4 amount of calories in percent. So you need to eat per day from 45 to 65 calories of carbohydrate. That is in terms of quantity. My dear student, are we together? Okay. My dear students, what are the importance of carbohydrates in our body? Yes? Can you try? Very good. The importance of carbohydrates, it's provide the energy to the body. A main source of energy obtained to the body come from carbohydrates. My dear students, that is the major importance of carbohydrates. But also, carbohydrates provide energies for doing physical activities to living organisms. Human, we need carbohydrates for physical activities, and even reproduction, we need carbohydrates for reproduction. My dear students, are we together? Okay, very good. Let's see another types of components of food, which is protein. My dear students, what are the food sources of protein? Yes, very good. Protein obtained from egg. When you are eating egg, you get protein. Another one, yes, very good. It's obtained from meat. Another one, from fish. Very good. So these are the examples of sources of protein. When you are eating this food, you get protein. Protein can be obtained from animal and also from plants. We have two classes of protein: protein from plants and protein from animal. All are the protein. When you are eating, maybe example, when you are eating fish, you get protein, and then when you are eating meat, you get protein. In terms of quality, these are the same. And when you are eating beans, you get protein, and other types of plants which provide protein. My dear students, are we together? The qualities are the same, but the quantity of protein per day a person should consume from 10 to 35% of calories. Are we together? Okay. My dear students, what are the importance of protein in our body? We have seen the food sources, example of the food sources, the quality and the quantity of protein. When you're eating meat, have the same qualities. When you are eating from the plants, you get a protein with the same qualities. In terms of quantity, it ranges from 10 to 35. Okay, what are the importance of protein in our body? Yes, my dear students, you over there. Yes, very good. Protein provides the body immunity. A body immunity comes from food which you are eating consisting of protein. The white blood cell, which is responsible to protect the body against infection and diseases. Very good. What is the another importance of protein? What is the other importance? Yes, maintain the growth of organisms. Or can say leads to growth. Another one, repair the body parts. Very good. I like it. Another importance of protein, yes, very good for structural formation, such as growth of hair. Very good. My dear students, protein are very important. Enzymes come from protein which you are eating from the different food sources. My dear students, protein are very important. Okay, let us see another food component which is lipids. Yes, students, which food sources provide lipids? Yes, very good. Sunflower. Another one? Coconuts. Very good. Another one? Yes. Cashew nuts. Yes, very good, students. Lipids come from plants, but also it come from animal. When you are eating animal, a cow, we get lipids. So lipids can be obtained from the plants, but also can be obtained from the animal. Very good, students. My dear students, the qualities of lipids from different sources are the same. When you are eating fish, whether it is a big fish, small fish, they have the same qualities of protein. When you are eating meat, when you are eating a big fish or small fish, they have the same qualities of lipids. The lipids you get from these animals are the same. When you are eating meat, you get lipids. When you are eating cow, maybe, you get lipids. Sheep, you get lipids. So the qualities of lipids from cow, from goat, from sheep, from pig, from any other animal are the same qualities. In terms of quantity, the quantity of lipids per day, it range from 20 to 35 percentage of calories. And the percentage of calories, 1 gram of lipids is equal to 9 calories. So you can calculate to how much calories you will be used per day. My dear student, are we together? Okay, very good. Okay, my dear students, what are the importance of lipids in our body? Yes, very good. The lipids provide the energy to our body. I like you. Another one? Very good. Lipids, it provides body heat. Very good, students. My dear students, body heat. Animal, they have a lipids in their skin which is insulating the body so as to prevent heat loss. So when we say it provide a heat, that we mean. So that's the function of lipids. My dear student, are we together? Are we together? Yes, very good. Let us see another component. What is another component we said? Vitamin. Yes, dear students. Which food sources provide vitamin? Yes, very good. We get vitamin from fruits. Example, orange, very good. Another one? Yes, another one? Mango, very good. But also we obtain vitamin from a green vegetable. When we are eating vegetables, we get vitamin. A vitamin, we have several types of vitamins, and each vitamins are very important for the body functioning. Though the vitamins needed by the body are to a low minimum amount. My dear students, try to think and then tell me what are the importance of vitamin. So the qualities of vitamin but which you obtain from fruits, when you eating a lemon, when you are eating orange, have the same qualities of vitamin, have the same quality of vitamin. When you are eating one orange and another one have eaten 5 orange, the quantities are the same. It does not mean that to eat more orange you will get so many nutrients of vitamin. That does not mean. So that is in terms of qualities and the quantity. Okay, my dear students, what are the importance of vitamin? Importance of vitamin D. It is important for bone, strongness of the bone. Vitamin A, which we obtain from when we are eating carrot, it is important for vision of the eyes. So we have several types of vitamins, and each vitamins are more important to our body. My dear students, are we together? Yes. My dear students, that is the vitamin. As I said, there are so many types of vitamin, and each vitamin have its importance. Okay, my dear students, let us see the next food component, which is a mineral. My dear students, which food sources provide mineral? Think and then tell me. Okay, we can obtain mineral from different food sources. A mineral needed by the body in a very minimum amount. Mineral from common table salt. Mineral from meat, fish, green vegetable, from tea. So the mineral required by the body in minimum amount. mineral divided into two. We have macro mineral and the micro mineral. The macro mineral, such as a calcium and phosphorus, they are needed by the body somehow in large amount. But micro mineral, these are mineral which needed by the body in a very little amount, such as iodine, manganese, copper. These are mineral which are needed by the body in a very little amount. So what is the function of each mineral which I have mentioned in our body? Take your pen, write the point, and then you will tell me. Yes, what are the function of calcium and phosphorus? Yes, calcium are very important mineral for formation of the bone, and the phosphorus to making the bone to become strong. But also phosphorus are important for formation of genetic material. So we need the body to have this about mineral in a somehow large amount. Are we together, my dear student? What are the importance of micro mineral, copper and the manganese? My dear students, that is mineral. Let us see the micro mineral. The micro mineral I've said like iodine. Micro mineral like iodine, which obtained from a table salt. Their importance for formation of thyroxine hormone, which regulates growth. And they also have said there is a micro mineral, manganese and copper. These minerals are very important for regulating the enzymic activities, the enzymes of the body. Okay, my dear students, that is a mineral. But the mineral, let us see another food substance, which is water. Okay, my dear student, how does the body obtain water? Yes, 20% of water which found into the body are obtained through food. So, water have so many importance. Though it is have not nutrients, but water it is very important to the body. What are the importance of water? Tell me. Yes, my dear students, what are the importance of water? Very good. Water is a medium for enzymatic activities during the digestion process. Very good. Another importance of water. Yes, regulating body temperature. Another one, very good. Water, it is in the blood, facilitating or helping the blood to circulate within the body. That is another importance of water. Very good, students. My dear students, those are the components of a balanced diet and their function in our body. Okay, my dear students, let us see the next question concerning our topic of balanced diet in terms of food quality and the quantity. Juma went to the local market to buy food stuff for preparation of a balanced diet. A. Which components of food should be listed for the order? B. Suggest 2 sources in each component mentioned in A above. You can answer this question because we have already reviewed the components of balanced diet. You should mention or should list the components, seven components for balanced diet, and then each one you should suggest the food sources. Can you? Yes? Can you answer this question? We have already just reviewed very soon. Yes? Yes, very good. We said the components of balanced diet, that is carbohydrate, protein, lipids, vitamin, mineral, roughage, and water. And then just list, just when you say carbohydrate, which 2 sources? Carbohydrate. For instance, carbohydrate, food sources, cassava, just 2, potato. Yes, like that one. Protein. Example, egg, meat. Like that one. Lipids. Coconut, sunflower, just 2, but we have said there are so many types of food. Vitamin, let's say mango, orange. So my dear students, all the 7 food components, you can provide the food sources. So that's the first part to mention, and the second part of the question, 2 food sources. Okay, my dear students, let us see another question. Just it is also a short answer question. The question it say, why is not advised to eat too much of the fried food in a diet? The reason is we cannot know to how much amount of lipids are used to prepare that fried food. For instance, into the fried Irish potato, we cannot measure how much amount of lipids have been used to prepare that fried potatoes. That's why it is not much advised to eat more fried food. My dear student, are we together? Okay, let us see another question. My dear students, this is a sample of S question. Anna's dishes normally consist of cassava and cassava leaves. According to her custom, she is always happy of tasty and claims it is a balanced diet. What knowledge of the balanced diet in terms of food quality and quantity should be given to Anna so that her misconception is cleared? My dear students, we have seen the components of balanced diet. According to Anna, she say eating of cassava and cassava leaves, to her it is balanced diet and she is comfortable. But according to what we have read, what we have reviewed concerning the balanced diet, is it true? We said that the food which compose a balanced diet should have 7 food nutrients. But this food of Anna, it consists of cassava and cassava leaves. Is that a balanced diet? Definitely it is not a balanced diet. So the knowledge of balanced diet which should be given to Anna is to tell the Anna that to eat a balanced diet, it is not the matter of customs and feeling the taste of the food, but is to eat the food which consists all of the food nutrients. The food which have protein, the food which have vitamins, which have carbohydrate, mineral, and the refuges. My dear student, that is the proper knowledge which the Anna should be given. My dear student, are you understand? Yes. Let us see the other question. Why food quality and quantity must be considered during the preparation of balanced diet? The question, it is a question. It needed to provide the importance of eating balanced diet. Why should we eat balanced diet? My dear students, try to think and then tell me what are the importance of eating balanced diet. Yes, my dear student. 1, very good. Provide energy for the body activities. Another one, provide the body heat. Another one, maintaining the body. Yes, another one, to provide nutrients which are important for growth of the body. Very good. Yes, another importance, it provides the nutrients which are responsible to repair the body. Very good. My dear student, what is the another importance of eating balanced diet? To be in a good health. Very good. Okay, my dear students, we said that balanced diet provide energy. Carbohydrate are a major source of energy. Protein provide energy, and the lipids provide energy to the body. Energy for growth, energy for doing any activities. We should eat food which compose balanced diet so as to get energy. Another, provide the body heat. Lipids, we have seen when you are eating a diet which consists of lipids, we get heat to the body. The lipids act as insulating. It is insulating the body to prevent heat loss. Maintaining the body. Protein, when you are eating food which consists of protein, it is very important to maintain the body for body structure. Nutrients which are important, such as protein, when they are important for providing the body defense. As we said, white blood cells are obtained from the food which consists of protein. So eat food which consists of protein, you get the nutrient responsible for maintaining, protecting the body. Provides nutrients which are used to repair. Also protein foods. When we eat, we get nutrients responsible to prepare the worn out cell. And another one is to be in a good health. My dear students, eating balanced diet in terms of food quality and quantity will be in a good health. Eating much carbohydrates and the fats beyond the quantity, you will be in a bad health. For instance, we may get obesity, which is associated with by so many diseases like diabetes mellitus and the other blood pressures. So eating balanced diet in terms of food quality and quantity are very important to organism. My dear students, in summarizing the lesson, we have defined the meaning of balanced diet. We are identifying the components of balanced diet in terms of food quality and quantity. And there we have seen the carbohydrates, its quality and the quantity, function of carbohydrates into the body, protein, lipids, and up to the other food components. My dear students, but also we have seen example of short answer question and the essay question. I hope at this concept of balanced diet, you can be able to answer any question coming from this specific concept of balanced diet. That is my big hope. My dear students, let me give you a homework and a reference so that you can go for further revision and further reading. A homework: explain the functions of the following food sources in the human body: protein, carbohydrates, and lipids. What are the functions of these food sources? You can answer the question because we have already discussed the function of each one. My dear students, suggest 5 sources of the food nutrients: protein, carbohydrate, lipids, vitamin, and calcium. Which food, when we are eating, we get these food sources? That is the second homework. My dear students, why living things need to eat balanced diet? Why should the living things, they are supposed to eat a balanced diet? That is another question. My dear students, you can be able to answer. Okay. For further reading, you can refer these books so as you can get more concept. My dear students, up to there, it is my end of revision. I hope we can meet in next revision. Thank you.